two types of speaking. When this is personal speaking, your speaking might be personal. Your speaking might be uh, direct speaking, but direct speaking not appreciable in every situation because direct speaking might be aggressive. Direct speaking might be reason of misunderstanding. So instead of direct speaking, the indirect guideline can be given when you are giving speech in front of thousands of people. Obviously, your speaking should be indirect because indirect speaking has symbol of leadership. Indirect speaking is beautiful. Indirect speaking is not aggressive at all. So there are 5, 7 instruments for delivering guideline types of talk. Suppose you are the leader of a town. You are giving a speech in front of thousands of people. What are the initiatives should be taken for beautifying your town? First of all, the green plant have to be encouraged in our syllabus. In our next generation should be designed for loving to the green plants. In through the whole syllabus, green plant should be encouraged. Okay, loving to the green, loving to the animals have to be exposed through the syllabus. Secondly, the infrastructure, airport, roads should be widened, systematized. Obviously, authenticity should be brought in every sector. Obviously, the technological systematic approach should be attached to the every sector. In the field of automation should be appreciated. Obviously, at the time of designing any types of scientific approach, technological approach, the green part or greenery should be uh, emphasized because green is the first reason behind the beauty. Second matter of the psychological refinement, attachment, especially at the evening time, so that enough number of people can enter or exit. The road should be maximized. The traffic rule should be systematized. Tolerance, mental tranquility, respect to the older people, humanity. These need to be promoted in our city. The symbol, beautiful, the old heritage, older uh, history of our city should be uh, sustained. Okay, the beautiful activities, the creative activities, especially the next generation should be motivated for beautification. Mass number of people need to be involved to the beautiful campaign. So mass involvement has to be ensured. Hey, so whatever the lecture I have given in every sector, you are watching that there is a more number of involvement has to be, need to be, should be, can be, maybe. So what is the main mechanism? Obviously, the idea should be welcomed. This passive grammar at the middle, and last of all, the verb plus ed. Hey, when you want to continue your leadership, definitely the passive is the greatest weapon because active talk is personal talk, many times become aggressive, many times objective, not objective oriented, personal oriented. You are not talking to any personal matter, you are talking in front of 500 people. So obviously passive should be chosen, and this is the lecture of guideline. So idea have to be welcomed. This type of grammar have to be welcome. Last of all, verb plus ed. This is the simple mechanism of delivering guideline types of sentence. Thank you.